Callaway Customs, well, they build some pretty cool trucks, and let me tell you about this one. Welcome to Road Odyssey. If you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe, and if you're on Rumble, please follow. Remember, I have my Facebook page. Join me there at any time. Callaway Customs, a wonderful hot rod shop just north of Paris, Texas. And yep, you can go out there and find some merchandise, apparel. It is all out there ready for you to go. So be sure to get out on their Facebook page and find a link to all this good stuff. This is a award-winning 1953 Chevy 3100 Advanced Design Series truck. This has been completely built by Callaway Customs from the ground up. They worked on the frame, body, electrical, swapped leaf springs for bag suspension, did the interior. One notable shortcut was using Honda minivan seats, but they look great. They have a LS engine, truck engine, 6-liter, with a custom engine cover that they did themselves as well. Now, the story is Callaway got this pickup truck through Mr. Cecil Tubb, who was the person that painted this truck and said, hey, somebody needs to put this thing together, get all this electrical, body parts, everything taken care of. And yeah, chose Callaway Customs. Originally, these were half-ton trucks built between 1947 and 1955. 1953 was the last year of the 216 cubic inch inline 6, I believe, making 92 horsepower. Another look at that 6.0 liter truck LS engine. It really sounds great. Let's take a listen. Recently, this truck came into Callaway Customs for some odds and ends to be buttoned up and just looked after, because it, after all, is a customized truck and they need that sort of thing. They also looked at the power steering, did some tweaking there, and they did some balancing of the drive shaft. I hope you enjoyed this quick hit and run on a magnificent 1953 3100 Chevy truck. It is absolutely beautiful and it is award winning. And with that, please relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.